Today our lesson is active voice and passive voice. Active voice says what the subject does, passive voice says what is done by the subject. Example. One example is given here. Ravi wrote a story. Here Ravi is subject, story is object. In active voice, subject comes first and object comes last. Ravi wrote a story becomes a story was written by Ravi. So story came first here and subject last. Wrote becomes was written. Ravi wrote a story becomes a story was written by Ravi. Now we shall see some more examples. Sunil gave this book. This book was given by Sunil. Kamala taught English. English was taught by Kamala. Lata washed the clothes. The clothes were washed by Lata. The above three sentences are in simple past. Altogether there are 12 tenses. Out of 12 tenses, we can write in only in passive voice can be written only in 8 tenses. Tenses which cannot be written in passive voice have been cut in this table. You can observe. Future continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous cannot be written in passive voice. I would like to show an example with different tenses. Active voice and passive voice in simple past. Ravi wrote a story. A story was written by Ravi. Wrote becomes written here. Active voice and passive voice in past continuous. Ravi was writing a story. A story was being written by Ravi. Was writing becomes was being written. Active voice and passive voice in past perfect. Ravi had written a story. A story had been written by Ravi. Had written becomes had been written. Active voice and passive voice in simple present. Ravi writes stories. Stories are written by Ravi. Writes becomes or written. Active and passive voice in present continuous. Ravi is writing a story. A story is being written by Ravi. He is writing becomes is being written. Active and passive voice in present perfect. Ravi has written a story. A story has been written by Ravi. Has written becomes has been written. Active and passive voice in future simple. Ravi will write a story. A story will be written by Ravi. Will write becomes will be written. Active and passive voice in future perfect. Ravi will have written a story. A story will have been written by Ravi. Will have written becomes will have been written. Now we shall see different sentences with different tenses. First, simple tense. In simple tense, simple present, simple past and simple future. First I will start with simple present. He teaches physics. Physics is taught by him. Teaches becomes is taught. He sells, she sells vegetables. Vegetables are sold by her. Sells becomes or sold. Teacher dictates the notes. Notes is dictated by the teacher. Dictates become is dictated. Anita stitches blouses. Blouses are stitched by Anita. Stitches becomes are stitched. Children water the plants. Plants are watered by children. Water becomes or watered. Now with simple past. My friend gave this gift. This gift was given by my friend. Gave becomes was given. He bought a car. A car was bought by him. Bought becomes was bought. She invited us. We were invited by her. Here us becomes we. Invited becomes were invited. She becomes her. He wrote a letter. A letter was written by him. Wrote becomes was written and he becomes him. Shruti gave money. Money was given by Shruti. Simple future. She will complete the work. Work will be completed by her. Will complete becomes will be completed. They'll prepare food. Food will be prepared by them. Will prepare becomes will be prepared. I'll clear the loan. Loan will be cleared by me. Will clear becomes will be cleared. We'll bring vegetables. Vegetables will be brought by us. Will bring becomes will be brought. Suresh will make all arrangements. All arrangements will be made by Suresh. Will make becomes will be made. Present continuous. Raju is stitching shirt. A shirt is being stitched by Raju. Is stitching becomes is being stitched. Jaya is cutting vegetables. Vegetables are being cut by Jaya. Is cutting becomes or being cut. Vijaya is preparing tea. Tea is being prepared by Vijaya. Is preparing becomes is being prepared. Nirmala is washing clothes. Clothes are being washed by Nirmala. Is washing becomes are being washed. My sister is paying fee for me. Fee is being paid for me by my sister. Is paying fee becomes fee is being paid. If ing is in active voice, in passive voice, it becomes being. If it is singular, is being. If it is plural, or being. Past continuous. She was watching TV. TV was being watched by her. We were playing chess. Chess was being played by us. Were playing becomes was being played. They were flying kites. Kites were being flown by us. Were flying becomes were being flown. He was writing notes. Notes was being written by him. Was writing becomes was being written. Ramesh was making video. Video was being made by Ramesh. Was making becomes was being made. Present perfect. Mahesh has paid the fee. Fee has been paid by Mahesh. Has paid becomes has been paid. Rajesh has sent the message. The message has been sent by Rajesh. Has sent becomes has been sent. We have decorated the car. The car has been decorated by us. Have decorated becomes has been decorated. The principal has hoisted the flag. The flag has been hoisted by the principal. Have hoisted becomes has been hoisted. Doctor has given an injection. An injection has been given by the doctor. Has given becomes has been given. Past perfect. Teacher had conducted the test. The test had been conducted by the teacher. Had conducted becomes had been conducted. Nurse had given the medicine. The medicine had been given by the nurse. Arun had repaired the computer. The computer had been repaired by Arun. Had repaired becomes had been repaired. They had cleaned the house. The house had been cleaned by them. Had cleaned becomes had been cleaned. We had paid the phone bill. Phone bill had been paid by us. Had paid becomes had been paid. Future perfect. The patient will have taken the medicine. Medicine will have been taken by the patient. Will have taken becomes will have been taken. He'll have read this book. This book will have been read by him. Will have read becomes will have been read. She will have taken the test. The test will have been taken by her. They will have sold their house. Their house will have been sold by them. Will have sold becomes will have been sold. Children will have played cricket. Cricket will have been played by children. Will have played becomes will have been played. So we have completed all the 8 tenses. Sentences which are in present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous and future continuous tense cannot be changed into passive voice. These 4 tenses we cannot change into passive voice.